What's up, guys? It's Vlad from VSM Auto Life. It's been about 9 months since I graduated tech school, and I got my degree in auto collision repair. It's an AAS degree, which I guess stands Applied Associate of Science. Those of you who go to college or into college, I'm sure you know all the terms and names. I believe after that you get your bachelor's, master's. I don't actually know. I never went to a four-year college, but I just wanted to talk about today to let you guys know, for those of you who are considering whether a degree in automotive field is going to be something that you need, whether you're a high school student looking for career options, or in your 20s, in your 30s, whatever your age may be. I know that there's a wide variety of people that I have met before and that I've had in my college classes, anywhere from people that were 18 years old all the way up to their late 50s in college getting their automotive degree. So let's jump into the first thing. The first thing you're going to need to consider is cost, which is an obvious one, of course, going into any school. But depending on where you go, whether it's a local tech school or you can go to one of those bigger colleges like UTI or WyoTech, and I'm sure there's other popular ones out there, but those are the two very popular ones. Now, is it going to be worth it for you? Because when you come out of any of those schools, guess what? You're still going to start as an apprentice. You're still going to start as the bottom guy. You're not going to jump into any shop regardless of what your degree is in and you become a journeyman all of a sudden. Especially considering that those programs are anywhere from 8 months to, which mine was, 2 years. After that, it doesn't get any longer. I have not heard of a program that's 3 or 4 years long. So look at the costs. Is it gonna be worth it for you, especially if you're considering it to be your only job? Because you're gonna start out making, you know, anywhere from minimum wage, whatever it may be in your state, to maximum of $15, $16, depending on the shop that you work at. So, and that can really hurt you, especially if you end up with $10, $20, $30,000 in debt from one of those bigger schools. And now you got to make payments on that alongside of buying your tools. Once you get the cost out of the way, let's look at our second point, apprenticeships. Now, you can skip school altogether, and a lot of the shops will offer an apprenticeship program. All you have to do is talk, or just get into any shop, start out as a detailer, as a shop helper, anything. And if they see potential in you, or you show enough interest, they will take you in and they will train you. They'll give you the right tools, everything you need to get into the collision repair or automotive, whichever one it may be for you guys. Definitely take a look into that. Now, it doesn't matter how long you go to school, whether it's the best school in the state or, you know, in the whole United States, you're still not going to learn everything you need to know. That's why an apprenticeship is a good option. No matter how long you go to school for, what grades you get. And I've had pretty good grades. I've had mostly A's and some B's. So I don't know exactly what my GPA is, and if you guys don't believe me, I will show you my little diploma that I got here in the pictures. But my point is, you learn by doing, especially in something like a trade school. In the trade field, I guess I would say. And so until you actually get into a shop and start tearing apart the cars, start repairing the cars, you're never going to learn just by reading and looking. Although most technical colleges will offer that, but it's never going to be as much as it is when you're doing it full time. Here's a few reasons why you would want to go to college, and a few reasons that I actually enjoyed it is experiences. You get to meet other people who have similar interests as you, people who have hobbies as you, and you can definitely make a lot of friends. That's something that I really enjoyed, and in my 2 years of college, I had a great experience. I've met a few good friends, and I've still hung out with them. Even now, months later, I still keep in touch with some of them. And obviously, you can get a good college experience from a university also, but here's one of the reasons that you might consider college. So for automotive degrees in general, is college worth it? Well, it's going to come down to you as an individual. The biggest thing, of course, is going to be cost for everyone. And honestly, in my opinion, my answer would lean towards no. A degree would probably not be worth it. Although a lot of shops, you know, if you had a guy who has a degree and someone who's clueless, that might give you an advantage, which I'm sure it did in my situation. And also, I did go to college, of course, but it worked out for me the way it did, and I'm happy with it. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this gives you some guidance and an idea of what you want to do. That's everything. Hit the subscribe button if you guys want to see more videos like this or anything like that. Leave a comment, ask me questions. Thanks for watching.